Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to read user input in Python. So basically you're going to use this input function and you're going to provide a string which will prompt the user with what you want them to enter. So I'm going to request the name and I'm going to request their favorite number. So once I've got that number, it's going to be in string format and I want to convert it into an integer format. I can cast using this int function and I'm going to print out a formatted string. So that's what that F stands for, where I can use my variables inside the string inside curly braces. So hi name, your favorite number is number. The reason I've got the number string and the number is I want to show you how they behave differently. So if I want to show the favorite number twice, I can just go number string times 2. That's basically going to show you 2 lots of that number string. If I wanted to actually perform multiplication on the number, I'm going to need to use the actual number variable, as that's got the number, and so it'll know that it wants to actually multiply and get a value. So if I run this now, we should see, I'll enter my name as I'm prompted, enter a favorite number. You can see that when it multiplies the number, it gives 14, but the number shown twice when I use the number string is 77. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have, please like and subscribe for more content.